Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Schwarze, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own color monster. Woo. Okay. So first we're going to talk about what feelings colors represent, and I'll explain. So if you see the color black, for instance, black usually represents or means authority, power, evil. That's why you see so many bad guys in movies wearing black. It can also represent intelligence. Now, the color red can represent anger or passion or excitement or enthusiasm. It can also represent life. It can also mean, something that's very intense. The color orange can mean energy. It can mean warmth. It can also represent change. The color yellow can also represent happiness, warmth, cheerfulness. It can also mean, attention getting, like, yellow's like, hey, look at me, I'm yellow, pay attention to me. The color green can mean nature or cool or, growth, or it can represent money. It can also represent envy or disgust. I'm sure you guys have heard the phrase green with envy by now, because envy is represented by the color green. Now the color blue can mean serenity, it can mean calmness, but it can also mean sadness. It can also mean wisdom. Now, the color purple can represent royalty or wealth or sophistication. It can also mean mysterious. Now, the color brown can represent, it can also represent nature, just like green. It can represent comfort. It can represent friendship or loyalty. And it can also represent gentle. So I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you a color monster that I drew. Okay, there he is. Oh, let me flip him over so you can see him better. Okay, now I chose the color red, and I remembered to give my monster 2 arms. I remembered to give him 2 legs. I remembered to give him a mouth. You can add teeth if you want to, you don't have to. And I remembered to give my monster eyes. Now I colored this with crayons, and I chose the color red because I've had to film this tutorial, like, I think this is my 5th time or something. So I'm very frustrated. I am angry. I'm angry that I've had to record this tutorial so many times just to get it right. So I chose the color red. And you can choose whatever color you are feeling like, and think about how you feel. Are you feeling calm? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling evil? You can always go back to what we talked about earlier in the video with the colors. Now, you can draw your monster. If you don't have anything to draw with, you can use a pencil, and you can draw out your monster. I'm going to make my monster look a little bit different. Okay. Okay, let me flip this little dude over so you can see him better. There we go. Gonna add some eyeballs. You give him some hands. Okay, and I gave him some legs and feet. So I am just going to pick red letters. And again, you don't have to, if you don't have letters, these kinds of letters at home, that's fine. Just find, little things that are red or whatever color you choose, and just fill them in like this. Some more reds over here. And just keep going until you have the whole monster filled up. That T kind of looks like his nose. Okay. So you sort of get the idea. If we had more time today, I would be using more layers to fill, but this is one option, fill it up. Here is option 2, draw, okay? But remember, if you have any questions about this project, please email me at kschwarze@kcpublicschools.org, or here's my Google Voice number. I want you guys to succeed. I don't know if you saw my video about due dates, but I am extending the due date. So if you see a due date, just ignore it, okay? As long as you get your work posted to me and turned in, I will not take points off if it's late, okay? So I hope you guys are doing okay. I miss you guys so much, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, okay? I miss you. Bye.